Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us to the famous and iconic 5th Avenue of Playa del Carmen. And let's not forget, we were in Playa del Carmen during Dia de los Muertos, and La Catrina was prevalent all over the place. So make sure you stay tuned because this is going to be a fun daytime walk, Playa del Carmen 5th Avenue video. Dave and Rose Travels. Make sure you subscribe to see more content. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. It's Dia de los Muertos, and we had been staying in Playa del Carmen for the last couple of days. It had been pouring since we arrived, but today there is a break in the rain. Wait a moment. If you haven't seen our last video where we take you to 5th Avenue's famous La Vagabunda restaurant, that video is a must-see. We sit with an elderly local man, and my husband Dave holds a conversation with him about his life. His name is Jose. He played some songs for us on his guitar, and he sang. We invited him to sit at our table for a while. He explained to us that him playing guitar for the patrons of 5th Avenue is how he paid for his bills and how he fed his family. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it, the video of La Vagabunda. Playa del Carmen and its famously iconic 5th Avenue. 5th Avenue is 5 miles long. 5th Avenue doesn't allow cars and is for pedestrians only. And 5th Avenue is only steps away from the beach. No matter what part you are on 5th Avenue, there's going to be a road entranceway to the beach. And 5th Avenue also takes you directly to the famous Parque Fundadores. 5th Avenue is loaded with many different types of shops and stores, tons of restaurants. 5th Avenue has 2 malls, Paseo del Carmen Shopping Mall and the famous Quinta Alegria Shopping Mall. And because it's Dia de los Muertos, La Catrina is prevalent all throughout Playa del Carmen's iconic 5th Avenue. And you're probably asking yourself right now, La Catrina? Who is La Catrina? La Catrina symbolizes the cycle of life and serves as a reminder to enjoy life, but also embrace death. She is a sacred symbol of the Mexican celebration, Dia de los Muertos, a historical figure who has been honored in Mexican culture for centuries. In 1910 was the first Catrina. Posada created a La Calavera Carbonacera, which was her original name. At this time, she was portrayed as a skeleton donned in an elegant French dress, complete with white makeup and a fancy hat and a feather boa. Today, La Catrina is integrated as an emblem of the Day of the Dead celebration in different ways. Her elegant dress represents celebration, and her smile reminds us that there is comfort in accepting the inevitability of death and that the dead should be commemorated. And La Catrina was not Latin America's first grand lady of the afterlife. This honor belonged to Micteca-Hichithuatl, the queen of the Aztec underworld of Chiquinimatitlan, if I'm saying that right. Her role was to watch over the bones of the dead, and her presence was to front and center during any recognition of those who had passed on. And now for the 5th Avenue walk. forward to falling on my face. Could do like some. Thanks. Right there, babe. Yeah, it's the sad kid. Bye-bye.
Hours later.
Forever 21. When you drink a lot of beer, you call it Forever One. Let's talk about subscribing to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. We love the ish out of new subscribers, so make sure you subscribe. Subscribing is the only way to see future content from Dave and Rose Travels. Sometimes at the end of the night, you end up at El Fogón.
The next day,
In our next upcoming video will be a part 2 of our 5th Avenue walk. We started off walking during the day, but this video coming up next will be mostly a nighttime walking video. Because nighttime on Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue and Parque Fundadores is off the charts. And as always, make sure you're subscribed so that you can see that upcoming video of our walk at night on 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen. I know, we keep telling you to subscribe to see more, but it really is the way to see more. We have some really fun restaurant videos from Playa del Carmen coming your way, including one from the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen where we're staying, and a super fun Mexican